Hi everyone, back to me again. I'm Rudy and I have new package just arrived today and cut it short and let's unboxing this one. This one is the figure resins. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, there's two boxes, A and B. Let's start with the A. Okay. Let's see. Can you guess what is inside? Let's see. There is Bella Ponyta. Okay, you see? Oh my god, so cute. The hair, the colors, the details. Really looks so nice. Okay. Now you already know the B1. Of course you guys know special Pokemon from Seal is Ponyta and Sword is... Yes, you're right. This is Perfect D Evolution, the color special. Let's take it out. Oh my god, so cute. Look at that eyes. Okay. This one is the seal. Okay. And this one is the... I think this one is garlic. Represent the sword. And it gives some good tech. I have the spare one. Let's use a spare. Take some of it. Put it at the back. Stick. Then for the sword, let's put some of it. Like this. And then like this. This one is special from Sword and this one is Seal. Okay, that's all. Later I will take some more girly photo in my Instagram and follow me on Rudy Doni in my Instagram. Okay, that's all. See you next time.